Canaries eat seeds. Canaries are small birds that commonly eat a variety of seeds as their main food. These seeds provide the nutrients they need to stay healthy and energetic. In the wild, canaries often eat grass seeds and other small plant seeds. As pets, they are usually given special seed mixes made for canaries, which may include millet, flaxseed, and canary grass seed. However, to keep them healthy, it's also good to give them fruits, vegetables, and supplements in addition to seeds.